It used to be so hard to see. Now loving is easy when everything's perfect. Please don't change a single little thing for me. Now listen, boy, when you can't even hide it, and it didn't take forever to find it. I was all on my own, almost glad to be alone until love came in on time, on time. Now loving is easy, you had me fucked up. It used to be so hard to see. Now loving is easy, everything's perfect. Please don't change a single little thing for me. Oh, oh,
Are you ready to hope? Love one another. Are you ready to hope? Don't give up on one another. Are you ready to hope? Challenges are always part of life.
Planado na to. Noon pa. May mga nakakalam nito. Nung galing kaming Bagyo. Pagbaba pa lang kami ng Bagyo, meron na kaming anak. Kasi considered na pati ninong nina. Kaya excited, at least kahit paano, this is the day. Sa wakas.
We are gathered here for one purpose, and that is to pray. We are gathered here for another purpose, and that is to entrust this couple to the guiding love, to all-embracing love of God.
Dear Puro, sino ang mag-aakala na sa isang simpleng birthday greeting mo, nagsimula ang lahat? From happy birthday to happily ever after. Hindi mo man sabihin, pero alam ko, takot ka dumaan sa airport paggabi na, sa sobrang dilim. Pero starting today, hindi mo na kailangan magkatid-sundo. Kasi sabay na tayo uuwi. Every single day.
Kitang sinusulyapan, mga problema'y nawawala sa aking isipan kapag
Don't get tired loving one another. Huwag kayong sumuko. Huwag niyong susukuhan ng bawat isa. Because tomorrow has many things that God will give you. It is not only about this day that you be thankful, because there is a person who is giving something to you. Ibibigay niya ang kanyang buhay sa iyo. Ipagkakatiwala niya ang buhay niya sa iyo. I will give everything to this person because I know that I love him and I know she loves me.
problema, sana lagi na lang kitang kasama.
Kung may pagmamahal, may pag-asa. Kung may pagmamahal, may sana. Kung may pagmamahal, there is always hope for the better.
From Miss to Mrs.
Angelica, do you take Jackie here present for your lawful husband according to the rite of the Holy Mother of the Church?
Yes, I do.
Jackie, do you take Angelica here present for your lawful wife according to the rite of the Holy Mother of the Church?
Yes, I do.
Akalain mo
ngayon, bukas at magpakailanman, dahil lang pagmamahal ko sa'yo ay kasing tunay at liwanag, tulad ng pendant na ito. Kuro, thank you! Lagi ko itong isusuot. I love you.
A new wallet for my soon-to-be husband, so you always have a place to keep our cards, our cash, and a reminder that your wife loves you very much. Pera natin, pera mo, pera mo. Pera mo.
Yung hour, sa kanya lang din yun.
Apelyido, akalain mo ikaw rin pala at ako. From Miss to Mrs. Akalain mo ikaw rin pala at ako.
Palagpagan po natin ang bagong kasama.
Tumisis ko na.
Ikaw ang tipo ng tao na masarap asarin, pero mas masarap mahalin. Kahit na madalas kakompetensya kita sa pagkain ng fries, kaaway sa panonoorin ng movie, pero kakampi naman kita sa lahat ng bagay.
I vow to be with you through ups and downs, sa hirap at ginhawa. Ako ang magiging lakas mo tuwing nangihina ka. Magpapasaya sa'yo tuwing malungkot ka. Magiging ginhawa mo tuwing may problema ka. At habang buhay kitang magiging passenger princess kahit alam mong magmotor.
Ngunit sa huli, palagi
Love creates beautiful things. Love creates miracles. God can always bless a person who loves one another.
pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mong iyo ako.
Sa harap ng Panginoon, nangangako ako na mamahalin kita, aalagaan, at pipiliin ka sa araw-araw. Sa tawa, inis, gutom, at antok, sa lahat ng adventures natin, tayo pa rin.
Hindi ako aalis sa tabi mo. Hindi ako mawawala. Lagi natin itong sinasabi sa isa't isa. Walang iwanan, walang sawaan, at pakailanman. Mahal na mahal kita sila.
Tandaan mo, asawa mo na ako. Walang refund, walang replacement, walang tech support. Pero guaranteed, masaya, makulit, at ikaw lang ang mahal. I love you.
Eto tayo sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mong iyo ako. Sa pagdating ng ating pilak at ginto, diamante may abutin, ikaw pa rin aking bituin at tatangi kong dalangin hanggang sa huling siglo.
I will entrust it to you as my commitment. I will give it to you as a kind of confidence and trust that you will take care of me. As God, as the Bible will say, where two are gathered in my name, there I am in their midst. Amen.
Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman ako. Pala